Now let's take Stellar and their grouping with IBM and Hyperledger and see if we can break it down a bit more. On the 24th of March, Stellar announced that they were creating a bridge to Ethereum called Starbridge. Around the same time, one of Stellar's assets, Pendulum, announced they were creating a bridge to Polkadot called Spacewalk. Next project on their hands is to bridge to Cosmos, and they also say that they can bridge to any chain. Add to that the relationship with Flare, with Stellar, and they are bridging to any chain again, they say. So with their graphic here, we can see there's Solaris, Ethereum and Bitcoin, and I added in XRP because I think the relationship with Flare and XRPs are pretty standard. So what does Stellar bring to the table here? Right, why are we building these bridges? Right? Well, Stellar has access to the Forex market. Right? That's $6.6 trillion a day in volume. So that's quite sizable. Now, we've got the Forex market access, and we've got our bridges. What are they bridging to? They're bridging to the DeFi market. And this is how we get the Forex trading onto DeFi. Coming back into the Pi network, if we look at our nodes here, we know that the core team run their own nodes. They're running on Google Cloud. And then us as pioneers, we can run our own nodes on our own PCs. We're running in a container and running on Alpine Linux. You can see here, this is the latest numbers for each country. So there's quite a lot of nodes out there currently. So looking at our ISO20022, we have a nice grouping here of blockchains. We know IBM and Stellar are bringing the Forex market to DeFi through the use of bridges. So where does this leave Pi Network? Well, Pi Network, I believe, will be the front end that'll onboard us regular people onto blockchain. And quite possibly, I believe Pi Network could be a universal basic income. So why is Pi a good candidate to be a universal basic income? Well, we have a liveness test once per day. We have KYC to ensure a single account, and we have access to our own secret keys, so there's no requirement for passwords. We have our security circle, where 3 out of 5 members will be able to verify our accounts in case we lose our phone. And it's globally accessible for anyone with a smartphone. They can start mining. We also have these roles, which I see a hierarchy. If you just want to be a pioneer, you get a universal basic income. There's no requirement to work, and you'll get the minimum base mining rate. You want to be a contributor and willing to work and add to society, then you'll get a higher mining rate. Or if you become an ambassador, this will be a governing DAO representative. We've also got our 7 decimal places, and as you can see with the reduction in base mining rate, these come into play very quickly. By December, I could be only earning 40 Pi, which makes Pi very scarce.